Redwire lit up the skies as it revealed it has been awarded a prime contract by Belgian Defense to design and build Belgium's first national security satellite, known as Meteo. The mission is commissioned and fully funded by the Belgian federal government and is intended to give Belgium secure, resilient, and independent access to critical space-based capabilities for defense operations. The satellite will support monitoring, protection, and response to emerging regional and global security challenges. The project will be developed in-country as part of Belgium's national defense industrial technology-based strategy, strengthening domestic space and defense capabilities. Redwire will collaborate with Belgian satellite manufacturer Aerospace Lab to deliver the mission, combining Redwire's space mission heritage and mission assurance expertise with Aerospace Lab's satellite manufacturing capabilities. Redwire's Belgian facility has more than 50 years of spacecraft development experience, having contributed to multiple European space missions, including the Proba-1 mission, Proba-V mission, and Proba-3 mission for the European Space Agency. Redwire is also leading the SkimSat mission, a technology demonstration satellite designed to operate in very low Earth orbit with support from the Belgian government. Not to be outdone, Voyager Technologies announced it secured a multi-million-dollar follow-on contract through the NASA Expendable Launch Vehicle Integrated Support 3 (ELVIS 3) program. The award extends Voyager's ongoing work supporting NASA's Launch Services Program, which manages launch services for robotic science missions and technology demonstration payloads. Under the contract, Voyager will provide launch vehicle integration, assembly, and mission support services at Kennedy Space Center in Florida. The work ensures that launch vehicles and spacecraft are integrated and prepared for flight according to NASA's safety and mission assurance standards. Then, to keep track of more stars in the stock market, look to TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.